Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. 99% of people consume this daily, unknowingly feeding cancer cells. It's shocking, but true. 99% of people are unknowingly putting their health at risk by consuming a common food that fuels cancer cells. But what exactly is this harmful food, and how can you protect yourself? That's what we'll uncover in this eye-opening video. Hey, health enthusiasts! In this video, we're diving deep into the science behind the most harmful food that feeds cancer and how you can make simple dietary changes to protect your health. First things first, let's talk about sugar. You might think sugar is just a harmless treat, but studies show that cancer cells thrive on sugar. They have a much higher demand for glucose compared to normal cells, which means they consume sugar at an alarming rate. This is due to their reliance on glycolysis for energy, even in the presence of oxygen. The real problem lies in refined sugars found in processed foods, soft drinks, and baked goods. These sugars cause a rapid spike in insulin levels, and insulin acts like a growth hormone for cancer cells, helping them divide and multiply faster. So, how can you protect yourself? The answer is simple: cut back on refined sugars and processed foods. Instead, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. But sugar isn't the only culprit. Processed meats like hot dogs, bacon, and deli meats are also dangerous. They're loaded with preservatives like sodium nitrite, which can form cancer-causing compounds called nitrosamines when exposed to high heat. The World Health Organization classifies processed meats as a Group 1 carcinogen, meaning there is strong evidence they can cause cancer. To avoid this, opt for fresh, unprocessed meats like grass-fed beef, free-range chicken, and wild-caught fish. Refined carbohydrates like white bread, pasta, and rice also pose a risk. These foods quickly break down into sugar in the body, causing the same insulin spike and cancer cell growth. They're often low in fiber and essential nutrients, leaving you feeling hungry and unsatisfied. Choose whole grain options like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread, which are higher in fiber and packed with cancer-fighting nutrients. Cooking methods matter too. High-heat cooking like grilling, frying, and broiling can create harmful compounds linked to cancer. Instead, use gentler methods like baking, steaming, and stir-frying. These not only reduce harmful compound formation but also preserve nutrients in your food. Dairy products, especially those high in fat and hormones, are another concern. Hormones in dairy, like insulin-like growth factor 1, IGF-1, may promote cancer cell growth. Many dairy products are also high in saturated fat, linked to increased cancer risk. Opt for low-fat or non-dairy alternatives like almond milk, coconut milk, or soy milk. Choose low-fat or non-fat yogurt and cheese, and look for organic, hormone-free options. Incorporating cancer-fighting foods into your diet is crucial. Berries are packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, anthocyanins, and ellagic acid, which protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are loaded with cancer-fighting nutrients like folate, vitamin K, and chlorophyll. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain compounds with anti-cancer properties. Turmeric, with its powerful compound curcumin, and green tea, rich in antioxidants called catechins, are also excellent choices. By incorporating these foods and avoiding harmful ones like refined sugars, processed meats, and high-fat dairy products, you can proactively protect your health and reduce your cancer risk. But it's not just about diet. Other lifestyle factors like regular exercise, stress management, and sufficient sleep also play a crucial role in your overall health and cancer risk. So, what's the bottom line? Take control of your health by making simple changes to your diet and lifestyle. Cut back on harmful foods and incorporate more cancer-fighting foods. Get regular exercise, manage stress, and ensure you get enough sleep. By making these changes, you can protect your health and reduce your cancer risk. You might even inspire others to do the same. Start making changes today and take control of your health for a brighter, healthier future. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living your healthiest life. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep fighting the good fight against cancer.